Welcome back. Today we are tackling a KodeKloud Linux Level 1 task, Linux Timezones alignment. The goal is simple, but essential for any system admin. We need to change the time zone on all app servers to a specific region required by the team. Let's dive in and see which time zone they need today. First, let's log into App Server 1. Once we are in, we need administrative privileges to change system settings like the time. So, I'll switch to the root user immediately by running sudo -i. Before we change anything, it's best practice to check the current status. I'm using the timedatectl command. As you can see, it is currently set to UTC or the default. I need to make sure I have the spelling correct for the target time zone. I'll pipe the list of time zones into grep to search for our target. There it is. This confirms the time zone is available and gives me the exact syntax. Now, let's apply the fix. We use timedatectl set time zone, followed by the region we just found. And immediately after, I will run timedatectl one more time to confirm the change stuck. Perfect. App Server 1 is done. The task requires this configuration on all app servers. So, I am going to repeat the exact same steps on App Server 2 and App Server 3. In a real production environment with 100 servers, you would use Ansible or a script to do this. But for this Level 1 task, manual verification helps build muscle memory. All servers are configured. Let's hit that check button. There we go. The task is complete. The timedatectl command is the modern standard for managing time in Linux, so make sure you memorize it. If this helps you clear the task, Drop a like and subscribe for more KodeKloud solutions. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.